How to enable or disable eye tracking auto hide on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, we scroll down and tap on Accessibility. Next, scroll down and tap on Eye Tracking. After that, we scroll down to the bottom. Then tap on Auto Hide. Tap on the toggle button to turn on Auto Hide or switch it off. When you turn on Auto Hide, you can also adjust the duration. So here we got 0.5 seconds as the default. You can tap on the add or the minus button to decrease or increase the time duration. Here it says reduces the visibility of the pointer during auto hide. So here you can change the visibility settings by dragging on the slider bar to the right or to the left. And that's it. After that, you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.